Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be putting you through how to participate in Elys Network Testnet. Elys Network is a blockchain in the Cosmos ecosystem that combines the features of both decentralized and centralized exchange. So apparently they launched their incentivized testnet on March, and this testnet is still very much live, so you can very much participate in the testnet if you want to, as a way to position yourself for future airdrop. Before we dive into today's tutorial, if our content, our videos have been helpful to you, you can support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat. WikiCat is a token that is built on the Binance Smart Chain network, and right in the description you can get the contract address of WikiCat. Alright guys, so as you can see on our screen, we're using Keplr wallet in today's tutorial. If you do not have this app in your phone, you can head over to Play Store, download the app in your phone, install the app, set it up, save your seed phrase, and you're good to go. Okay, so let's dive right into today's tutorial. We're going to start with opening our Keplr wallet. So once you're here, next is to go over to your wallet browser. So select this browser option. So next is to open the link to the website, Elys website. Paste the link and search. Okay guys, so once you're here, first thing to do is to connect your Keplr wallet. So select connect with Keplr. Approve. Approve. Okay, so I think what we just did, I've automatically added Elys Network to our Keplr wallet. So next thing to do is to connect our Twitter account, connect our Telegram, connect our Discord. So let's go ahead to connect our Twitter account. Select connect Twitter. Okay, so I just connected my Twitter account. Next is to connect our Telegram. Select connect Telegram. I'll have to log in my Telegram. Okay guys, so I was having issues connecting my Telegram, so let's just skip that and connect our Discord. Select connect Discord. Authorize. Okay, so connected. Maybe later. So over here you can see that these are the tasks that you can do to earn XPs, right? The first one is the one we just did. We connected our X and our Discord, and this is the reward, 150 XPs, right? Okay, so the next task says that we should swap some assets. It says start by clicking faucet on deposit button and try out the swapping. So let's go over to their faucets by selecting this hyperlink faucet. It takes me to Chrome browser, and that's not exactly what I want. I want to do all my stuff in Keplr wallet. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this link, copy, and then I'll go back to Keplr. So I'm going to open the link here. So I'll just come over here to paste the link. Paste. Okay guys, so we're here, and the first thing to do is to connect our wallet. So select connect wallet. Select connect with wallet. Select Keplr. Approve. It says you will receive 0.3 Elys and 1 USDC tokens. Okay, so select claim tokens. So our tokens have been successfully claimed. So we're going to do a swap. So come over here, select swap. So we're going to swap, and you can do as many swaps as possible, right? But I'm just going to do one in this tutorial. Select the token that you want to swap. So you can see the tokens we have. We have Elys. We also have USDC. I don't know why it's not itemized here, right? And but there's no ish, right? It's actually itemized here, right? So you can, if you want to swap USDC, just choose USDC and just tap this icon, so it changes, right? So let's say we want to swap some USDC for Osmo, right? So we impute the amount of USDC that you want to swap, 0.001. Okay, and then you can choose to use any of these orders, but I would advise you go for market order, right? So once you're done, just select receive Osmo. We have successfully swapped our USDC. So another function that we can explore is the staking function. So come over here again, select N, and then select simple staking. Elys staking, select manage, impute the amount of funds that you want to stake, 0.06. You can randomly choose from any of these validators. So let me choose this, and then once you're done, select stake Elys. Okay, we are done. We have successfully staked our Elys token. And so when you come down here, you should see the amount of funds that you have staked. Another engagement is to use the liquidity function. So come here again, select N, and then select liquidity mining. Okay, so you can choose to add liquidity to any of the following pools, right? So we actually did a USDC to Osmo swap. So we're going to be providing this pair. So let's select this pair, add liquidity. Okay, so you can see our USDC balance, you can see our Osmo balance. So I'm going to select Osmo and impute a bit lesser than the amount of Osmo that it indicates that I have in my wallet. So let's say 0.1. Okay, so once you are set up, select deposit, approve, so transaction successful, right? So it's that easy, guys, that easy. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. You can come over here and select dashboard to have a summary of your account. You can see the asset that are staked, you can see your liquidity position, you can see the amount of tokens that you have in your wallet. So lastly, you can also earn points through referrals, right? So let's go over to the website that we earlier visited. So going through each of these tags we have successfully done them. So this one says refer to earn points. So just tap share referral So it takes you to Twitter with a tweet that carries your referral link. So you can post this tweet on your Twitter account, and you can as well copy your referral link. So let's go back. Okay, so you can see the amount of XP that you will earn for that. So this one says add liquidity to pool. We have done this. Follow us on X. So this one you have to follow them on X. So tap follow on X. Follow. Easy. Go back. And then this one says follow us on Instagram. So just do all the stacks. So just follow them on Instagram. Tap follow on Instagram and just follow them and all. So guys, that's basically it. I really don't know if this on-chain swapping is actually I mean the rewards are actually on daily basis, but then you want to test all the functions that we just tested as regular as you can. If you can do them daily, go ahead, do them daily, right? You know, just to increase your chances of being eligible for, you know, rewards. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial video. Do like and drop your questions in the comment section. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you again guys for watching this tutorial video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.